Good morning, you lovely rays of sunshine on a cloudy day. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I am Nella, for those of you who don't know, and this is another weekend video. So today I'm heading to the beach. Where else? I always go to the beach. I do want to start going back to waterfalls and refresh though, but so stay tuned for that. So anyways, I'm heading to the beach. So my cousins are here. They're here in Jamaica for a few days. They're actually leaving tomorrow. And they wanted to meet up and go to the beach, so we're going to go to the beach with my sisters. I'm picking up my sisters first, so I'm waiting on my sisters to get ready so I can pick them up, and then I am going to go for my cousins, and then we're going to head to the beach. So I don't know which beach we're heading to yet, but definitely, you know, out of town. And so I just wanted to take you along with me on the journey. Now, while you're here, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about this channel. We revamping, we relaunch. Well, not relaunch because I really never left that long. Like 2 weeks, okay, 3 weeks maybe. But like, yeah. So I'm gonna be having at some point, by the time you see this video, I would have probably already do it. But I want to do a little reset video, a little reconnect video, so that we can get back in the groove of things. Cause you know things have been off for a little while. Honestly, I have not felt in a while because I've felt off. I've been off. My body has just been, it has just been off. My schedule, my sleep schedule has been terrible. Sleep schedule has been terrible. My diet has been terrible. I have not exercised. It's just been so much going on, and I think it's time for us to reset together. I don't know if any of you are feeling like this, but I'd like to reset together. So that's one of the things that I'm working on, to reset together. All right. So I love this green lipstick. This I got from Colourpop years ago. It's on its last. It's on its last. So I'm trying to get a little wear out of it with my little, you guys know my signature green dress that I wear to the beach because it's easy to take off, it's back on. So yeah, and actually go to the beach, not go to the beach to just pose up like a double six. Alright. So anyways, enough of my chattering. I'm gonna get my sisters and then I'm heading for my cousins. So don't forget, as I said, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I really would love the engagement so that this channel and video can be pushed out to other people, new people, and we can meet new people together. Alright, let's get into the video. Let's go.
Just like me, I'll be snapping all of this stuff.
Your first time here? So you're the experienced one.
I feel like there's nobody in
my
my friend
pay
group.
money, and if you want to change it, you have to change it over there.
Okay. I feel like there's nobody in my friend group that has the actual footage.
I begin to
No. Here's to the end of another glorious day at the beach. You guys can say hi. Hi.
Hi.
This is Kimberly.
Wagwan.
This is Kevin. You guys know Olivia. Hi, Olivia. And you guys know Ornico, who is hiding. Alright guys, you can't say I never do nothing for now. I'm gonna props you on a tour of our hotel. So this is one of their apartment suites. It is 2 floors. So on the ground floor you have the kitchen, the living room area, dining area, and then this is on the first floor you have 2 bedrooms. Don't worry, I got permission to come and fast, you know, in my cousin's room. So this is one room. Nice bed, artwork. It comes with a safe closet, bathroom, its own bathroom. And then you're gonna see me as usual. Don't want to go too much into the bathroom because, you know, people personal space. And, you know, everybody have them ting and ting and ting. Here's the second bathroom. Here it comes with towels, you know, shampoo, conditioner, and them ting there. I'm saying hi. This is after the beach, so you know the girl is a bit of a vibe. And this second bathroom is adjacent from the rooms, it's not attached to the rooms. And then this is the other bedroom, and simple, chic, relatively spacious. Alright, here ends the tour. We eat, we drink, we laugh, we play, chat. But it is go home in time. So until we meet again. Good morning. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday. And guess what that means? Another week in my life. Yo, I have not been filming for the longest while. I apologize. I just need a break. Need a break. Break. All right guys, so you know what time it is. It's another due today. Need to earn those dollars. Alright guys, so it is Sunday. I'm post call. Never post call. Look how wishful thinking, but they're on call. I'm on call. I'm on call. I just finished seeing the ward 3 West, and then there's the labor ward which other resident is seeing or has seen, and we have a case but patient not ready yet, so waiting for that to be sorted out so I can go in. I'm on labor today and I'm labor tomorrow. I'm labor for the rest of the month, so that means that I'll be there from 8. When 8 o'clock come tomorrow, work still continue because I'm still on the labor until 4 the next day. Jesus be a shield. So I just want a good little duty, good little duty, because I'm tired of coming on here and say I'm tired. Jesus Christ, I can't get some energy. Like, Lord, are you not embarrassed? Every day you're just tired. Every day we're just tired. So every day, are you not embarrassed, or Nella? Are you not embarrassed? So yeah, And it's not even like I'm physically tired, sleep. I just mentally exhausted. Mentally. I've been going. I just need a break. Need a massage. Anybody want to sponsor me a massage? I would be greatly appreciated. You know, just send me a thing. I would appreciate it. Or send me a either send me the money or send me to the spa. I would definitely appreciate it, babes. Thank you. Anyways, that is it for now. Labor free. I need to get some energy. This cannot continue. Pop down life does not suit me. I want to be living my best hot girl life. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.